Welcome back to my channel. So I've been wanting to film a room tour for the longest time. I filmed one like 2 years ago, and I feel like my room has had some upgrades and I've gotten like new pieces here and there, so I wanted to do an updated room tour. And I'm going to tell you where everything is from, show you every piece, and hopefully give you some inspiration if you're redecorating your room, redoing your room, whatever it is. Let's get straight into it. Okay, so this is an overview of the room. Whenever you walk in, this is what you see. However, here is the door, and the first thing that you walk into is this little wall. So I have my keys in here because before I would just like throw them around my room, and I felt like this was more organized and I just had like a place for them. So here are my house keys, and I just have this little New York license plate with my name on it. So this is what you see when you walk in. Like I said, I'm gonna start off on this side and make my way around the room. So the first thing we have is a long body mirror. I've had this mirror for the longest time, so I can't tell you where it's from, but it is cracked over there. I've had it for years and years and years, so I have no idea where it's from. But then we have this little area. This is a new addition to the room. I got a new desk finally. I was raving about getting a new desk for the longest time, and I could just never find like the perfect one. And I feel like I finally found it. I'm so obsessed. So this desk actually came with this little chair. This is supposed to be a chair, but since I already have this chair, which I also got new, then I just decided to use this kind of like as a little side table. Basically, this I use as a little side table. I just have some decorations. So I have this little Dior like little pouch thing, and I have all my skincare inside of it. I just feel like it's way more organized if it's like that, and I wanted to have this on display. Then I have this little plate with my favorite lip products on it. It's super cute, and I have my little roller. This plate is from Ibiza. I got it as like a little souvenir. Then I have this little RH modern like magazine type thing. This RH is like a furniture store that I love. I have this little mirror for when I do my makeup, like when I need to be close up, and it's from Marshalls. And then I just have like an eye curler and like my beauty blender, stuff like that. This desk and the chair are from Amazon, and this chair is also from Amazon. I had this little rose gold lamp, and it's from Marshalls or Target. I'm not quite sure. I think it's from Target though. And then I have this mirror I just got. I'm obsessed with it. It's like a little rose gold as well, and it matches with like the vibe. And I just got it from Marshalls. I have my computer, and then I just have some flowers, some pink flowers. They add some color and they're so cute. I don't know where the vase is from. Then we have my little clothing rack, which has been a part of my room for a long time, but I love playing with like what I'm gonna put on the hangers. Like whenever it's a different season, I always put like colors that match with the season. So now since we're in fall, I have some little like neutrals, some little browns, tans, blacks, stuff like that. I have this purse right here. This is my everyday favorite purse. It's from Altard Estate. I have this little shell, which I don't know where it's from. And then I have some clothing pieces. This is from Abercrombie. This is from Brandy. This is from Abercrombie. This is also from Abercrombie, and this is from Levi's. I have this little black Zara purse, and then I just have some other purses. And then down here, I have 4 shoes. We have a Reebok, Adidas Sambas, and 2 Nike. There's the Air Max and the Dunks. It is from Amazon. On this corner, I have some speakers. I have my Echo, and I have my just regular speaker. Then I have my huge window, which I am so grateful for the views that I get to see every day when I wake up. I have Brickell over there and just some tennis courts, some nature, some trees. I love my view, and I'm so grateful that I have this every day when I wake up. And now we go to this side. So here I have my nightstand. I keep my AirPods here. I have 2 different type of AirPods, but my nightstand is from Amazon. I have this fresh iced water bottle right here from Amazon as well. I just have some tissues. I love having tissues next to my bed because you never know, like it's just so convenient. This lamp is from Target. I love it. It's so minimal and aesthetic. I'm obsessed. Then I just have my chapstick and my phone charger. Over here we have all my necklaces. I honestly hate this wall because it's so messed up. I ruined it with a bunch of like stickers and a bunch of like holes. Like I made a bunch of holes on the wall, It's very ugly, but honestly, don't pay attention to that. When you walk in the room, like, you're not really paying attention to the holes on the wall. But I have all of my necklaces right here. Next to the nightstand, we obviously have my bed, which is the main piece of the room. Whenever you walk in, that's like the first thing you see. And I recently got this new blanket. I'm obsessed with it. It's from Target. And when I tell you it's the fuzziest blanket in the world, and just the color, like, I'm literally obsessed. It's like a little tan brown. It's so soft and comfortable. So this is my bed. I have two little doggy stuffed animal, which are so cute. This duvet cover type of thing is from UGG. It's the best thing ever. I'm so happy, and like, it's literally the best purchase. It's so comfortable, very good material. This pillow I've had for forever, so I don't know where it's from, but like, honestly, I think it's from Marshalls or something. And then my pillow sheets, the pillow sheets and the sheets are from Target. It's the brand Casaluna, and they're actually temperature cooling. So like, they're always cold because I'm someone that gets like really hot when I sleep. So I needed some temperature cooling bed sheets, and these are the best. I tried a million, and these are definitely my favorite. I'm obsessed, and it's so comfortable for when I sleep. And then next to my bed, we make our way to the little dresser area. So this dresser is from Wayfair, but it's honestly super bad material. As you can see, there's like these little bubbles. These little bubbles are caused by water. Whenever I have like my water bottle on top and like it's dripping, these bubbles happen, and they're so annoying. I hate it. I don't like the quality of this dresser, but it's what we're working with right now, and it's very spacious. So on top of my dresser on this side, I have this little A mat. I think it's from Marshalls. I've had it for a while, so I'm not quite sure. This plant is from Target. It's obviously a fake plant. That butterfly I got when I went to Key West as a souvenir. It's like just a clear little decor piece, which I love. And then here I have all my jewelry. So I have my watches, my two favorite bracelets, and just all my rings and earrings. And this little thing, it's a cloud, and it's actually from the Cosmic perfume by Kylie Jenner, and I use it to keep my jewelry because it's just so cute. This mirror I thrifted, so I don't know where it's from. And then we have this side. So over here I have a little tray with my favorite perfumes. Here we have the Kylie Jenner Cosmic, which I love. It's literally such a good perfume. Then I have my Ariana Grande perfume. I'm obsessed with this. I need a second one whenever I run out. And then I have my newest perfume to add to my collection. It's the Miss Dior Parfum, and it smells so good for like a night out or just a fancy little day. I have a candle from Bath & Body Works. I have that little decoration piece. Also, this tray is from Marshalls. I have this little clock, which I don't know where it's from, but it's very cute, and it adds some like wooden color, which I'm obsessed. And then I just have this bottle of Clase Azul tequila, which was my parents', but I wanted to have it as decoration because I feel like it's so cute. So I'm going to tell you what's in each dresser. So in here I have my underwears, bras, and socks, which I'm not going to show you. In this drawer I have all my workout clothes. So here I have my tops, leggings over there, all my shorts, and my sports bras. Down here I just have like a bunch of towels from my bathroom. In this drawer I have all my shorts. So all of these are like my Brandy shorts. And then I have some like skirts as well, and just a bunch of like jean shorts, more skirts down there. In this drawer, I have sweatpants. I have like a million sweatpants. I also have these flowy pants from Aritzia, and I just have like big t-shirts just to stay at home because I didn't want those hanging in my closet since I only use them to chill at the house. And then down here I have my pajamas. So here are all my pajama shorts, and then here are my pajama tops, and here I have my bed sheets, but I'm currently doing laundry, so there's only the pillowcases. I'm missing the actual bed sheets that they're cleaning. Next to the dresser, I have these little 3 paintings type of situation that my brother got me when he went to New York. So we have the Empire State Building right here in black and white, and then we just have 2 Times Square photographs, which are so beautiful. I love the detail of it. It's so nice with the little taxi. Obsessed with New York. And then next to the dresser, we make our way to the closet. I wish I could organize my closet more, but this is what we're working with. It's a little bit crowded, but I do my best to keep it as organized as possible. This is a little overview. So on this side, I just keep like beach bags. These are like my beach bags, and then that's like a sleepover bag because it's very spacious. If I'm ever sleeping over at someone's house, I always take that one just because it fits a lot more things. And then I just have a hat, and I have some little like souvenir situations with like my name on it and stuff. And then I have more purses over here, but these are like the ones that I don't really like. I have 2 hats. This one is from Ferrari and this one is from Aston Martin. I love Formula One, so I love those hats. Over here, I have a tripod. I don't know what to do with it, so this is like the place that I put for it. And then over here, I have like my airport or like my university like school bag that I keep like my computer in and stuff. And then we have this area over here, which I love. I feel like it's very organized and like just the perfect area to put these things. Over here, I have a little like wooden tray and I just have some more perfumes on it. We have some Salvatore Ferragamo, 2 Gucci, Tom Ford, and a mini of the Ariana Grande. And I love my perfumes. I really want to grow my collection. I've had a lot of different brands of perfumes, but I really love collecting perfumes, so I'm trying to grow my collection as much as I can. Back here, I have a bunch of claw clips and headbands in this little wooden bowl. And then over here, I just have self-care things. So I have eye patches, I have pimple stickers, I have deodorant, a face mask, some body mist, some lotions, another face mask over there. Here I have my scrunchies, I have my hairbrush. This tray and this bowl are from IKEA. Then my claw clips are from Amazon, and just these random brands. This, I have no idea where it's from. It's very old. It was my grandma's. And then this bowl is from IKEA as well. This hairbrush is from Target. I love it. It's like a baby pink. It's so cute. So under that, we have these little 2 drawers. In the bottom one, I keep all my jeans. I have like a lot of jeans. Like it's literally overflowing. And then up here, I have some hoodies or like some sweaters. I think it's very crowded as well. You guys know I live in Miami and I don't wear this. Like, when will you see me wear this? I don't know. So I just have to keep it over here so it doesn't get dusty. Then under that, I have this little basket with my beach towels. I don't know where the basket is from, but you could literally find it anywhere, like in Target or anywhere that sells stuff like that. You could find a wooden basket. And then I have this little thing, which is from Target, I'm pretty sure. I just have random things in it. I have like pouches. Over here, I have all my travel stuff, like a bunch of pouches, like makeup stuff. And down here, I just have some books. I don't know, it's just like random stuff. Now we get to my clothes. This is all of my clothes. So in the first part, I have like little tank tops, like going out tops, tank tops. Then we move on to the t-shirts. Then we have some dresses, and then we have some like sweaters, and then like hoodies and jackets over there. Under, we have some shoes. I have a lot of shoes. I have way more in those boxes, so don't even think that this is all. Like, I have so many shoes and I really want to get rid of them because like I can't with these shoes. Those are my running shoes. I also have those running shoes. Then we have 2 Dunks. We have some Uggs. We have 2 pairs of heels, 2 pairs of sandals, my beach flip-flops, and 2 slides. And I also am wearing these right now. Then up top, we have some storage. So up here, I keep all my bikinis. I have a million. We have 2 more bottles of tequila. Over here, I just have a bunch of random things. And then we have 2 more wooden little baskets. Over here, I keep like my heating pad and stuff like that. And then over here, I have my straightener. And I have a million hangers back there because I don't know what I'm supposed to do with all these hangers. And then we have some awards because when I was younger, I used to play tennis. So I have like a bunch of tennis awards and also school awards for like honor roll and stuff like that. I'm not even gonna show you what's back there. That's all of the stuff that I'm selling on my Depop. There's a million clothes and there's way more in my parents' closet because I don't have space, but there's just a bunch of stuff back there. You don't need to see that, but this is the overview of my closet. I try to keep it as organized as possible because as you can see, I don't have my suitcases or anything like that in here because there's no space. I have some stuff in my parents' closet, but this is what I've done in my closet to keep as minimal and as organized as possible, and it works pretty good so far. So that's that. And then next to my closet in this little wall, I just have like this chain. I don't even know where I got it from. and I don't love it, but like I didn't want this wall to be like super blank and pale, so I feel like that was the least that I could do. And that is the final room tour. If I missed anything and you want to know where a specific thing is from that I didn't mention, definitely comment down below. But that was all. I love this little corner of my room. I think that it's so cute and colorful and girly. I feel like before it was very plain and gray. I added more color, especially the flowers. The flowers give the perfect touch. And before my desk was like super white, now we have some like gold detailing going on, which I love. And then this little side table, which I could decorate however I want to. I feel like it's super adorable as well. And my clothing rack also adds a lot of color and personality to my room. But yeah, overall this is my room. I'm so happy with how it's progressed and evolved because it's gone through a lot of eras, and I feel like this is definitely the best era. Before it was very plain, and I always try to add a little bit of color to it because if not it gets boring. So we have some like green going on, some blue, some pink with the perfumes. Now we have a little blanket, so it adds a little bit of comfortness and warmth. The stuffed animals, the bed sheets also add some color because before they were white. And I just have some color going on over here with the tissue box. I don't know, I feel like adding color adds a lot of warmth into the room and just makes it way more cozy. So I'm super happy with how it's turned out. I hope you guys like it. I hope that you enjoyed my room tour. I hope that you liked the evolution of the room, even though I didn't do a drastic change, but I did get some new pieces and I wanted to do an updated room tour. If you're decorating or redecorating, redoing your room, I hope that I gave you some inspiration and you got some ideas maybe for your room. And yeah, that was it for the room tour. Hope you enjoyed.